we're making the cultist costume of Fallout 3, Children of Adam. And to top it off, we'll be making props as well, such as the gamma gun and whatever that is on the stomach. So, what you need. Some really ragged clothes, particularly green, army green, really worn out, but if it's not worn out, you could obviously make it worn out. Spray paint and roughing it up with 1000 grit or 50 or 500 grit sandpaper, getting your knife and just simply cutting holes and then restitching it, hand stitching. That will work too. I had to do that with my cultist costume from Fallout 76. You're gonna need a lot of electronics too. You can find electronical stuff, circuit boards and all that. Breaking really old stuff that nobody uses, like tape recorders and such. Get your electrical wire. Get black and red spray paint. Here we go. Ta-da! Since we're going to be wearing this, we gotta make sure this doesn't poke us. Wow, that's long. Spray paint time. For the body of the gamma gun, EVA foam. Sure, you can use wood, or you can use Warbler tile. The body of it is going to be at an octagonal shape, and I want the gamma gun to actually shoot, so we're going to need a Nerf gun. This is way too big, so we need to go to the next best place, Goodwill, and find us a little dinky one. Let's see if this was a good choice for the gamma gun. All right, we gotta take this off and this off and drill a hole through this messed up bowl. You can see how messed up it is. It got melted. Right, now we drill a hole right here. Right, got some clothes from Goodwill, pretty cheap. Let's make them look messy. Now, because this was the smallest strainer that I found at Goodwill, it's not completely small. So we're gonna have to fix it up a bit. These legs here, we need to get rid of these legs. Handles, we might be able to use a handle. The holes for the strain, if you look at the picture, they're a lot bigger. I wanna make it smaller and fit my stomach, so I'm gonna do an arc right here. Then after that, we can put the wires on and try it out, walk around, see how it fits. About like that. All right, that's a lot of holes. All right, moment of truth. All right, looking good, not bad. Got myself a nice, terrible leather scarf. Well, looky here. I had to put my pin in there. I just had to. I got my heat needle and I did some scratches here and there. And electrical tape because, well, I'm using electrical wire. Wrap some really shitty cloth around. I didn't have to use any pins or glue it or anything. All I had to do was just wrap it around because this has a nice grip to it. It's almost like rubber on rubber. And voila, you have the Child of Adam cultist costume from the Fallout franchise.
Welcome to the new age, to the new age. I'm radioactive, radioactive. I'm radioactive, radioactive.
This costed $40 to make. Why? Let me show you. Spray paint. Depending on what color and what brand it is, these can cost quite a bit, especially when tariffs are going up. Simple ones, even like Krylon, will be like around $6. Normally a lot of them, even Rust-Oleum was around $6 plus tax. Now they're $8. So do the math, this was about $27 for just 4 of those. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. You know what to do. Thanks and all. See you later.